Question number 9. First part of this question is of partial fraction. Let fx is equal to 2x square plus 17x minus 17 over 1 plus 2x into 2 minus x whole square. First of all, we have to observe that if the uh, fraction is proper or improper, this fraction is a proper in a proper form, and clearly in the denominator there are two factors. 1 plus 2x linear, but 2 minus x is also linear but repeated because there is a power 2. So we express this fx in partial fraction. Let 2x square 2x square plus 17x minus 17 over 1 plus 2x into 2 minus x whole square is equal to a over 1 plus 2x plus b over 2 minus x plus c over 2 minus x square. Now second step is, now we have to take the LCM of right hand side. This becomes a LCM is 1 plus 2x into 2 minus x whole square. Using LCM process, we divide this LCM by 1 plus 2x. This factor will be cancelled out, or 2 minus x whole square will be multiplied by a. This becomes a into 2 minus x whole square. In the same way, b into 2 minus x 1 plus 2x plus c into 1 plus 2x. Left hand side remains the same, 2x square plus 17x minus 17 over 1 plus 2x into 2 minus x whole square. Denominator same, on both sides cancel out. We get 2x square plus 17x minus 17 is equal to a into 2 minus x whole square plus b into 2 minus x into 1 plus 2x plus c into 1 plus 2x. Now we have to find the values of these unknown a, b, c. Clearly there are two factors in the denominator of the function of this fraction. We put these two functions, two factors separately equal to 0. First we put 2 minus x is equal to 0. 2 minus x is equal to 0. From here x is equal to 2. Putting x is equal to 2 in this equation, we get 2 into 2 square plus 17 into 2 on the right side. Since 2 minus x is equal to 0, we cannot put here because it becomes 0. We cannot put here because 2 minus x 0. So we can put this value of x in this. So we can find the value of c. Putting here x is equal to 2, we get c into 1 plus 2 into 2 it becomes 4. 1 plus 4, simplifying the left hand side. On the left hand side, we are missing something. 2 into 2 square plus 17 into 2 minus 17. On the left hand side, after simplifying, we get 25. Right side, 5c. From here, value of c is 5. Now, in the same way, we are putting the other factor, that is 1 plus 2x. Same process, 1 plus 2x is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to negative 1 over 2. Now we will put x is equal to negative 2 in the same equation. We cannot put this x is equal to minus 2. We cannot put here because 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So we can put this value of x is equal to minus 1 over 2 this in this term. So we can find the value of a. Putting here, this becomes 2 into minus 1 over 2 whole square plus 17 into minus 1 over 2 minus 17 is equal to a into 2 minus minus plus 2 minus minus x is already minus negative, so we can write 2 plus 1 over 2 whole square. Now simplifying, left hand side become 2 into 1 over 4 minus 17 over 2 minus 17. Right side become a into 5 over 2 whole square by taking LCM of this. 2 plus 1 over 2 becomes 5 over 2 whole square. Left hand side, after simplifying, it becomes a minus 25 by taking LCM. Left hand side, after simplifying, becomes negative 25. On the right hand side, a is equal to a into 25 over 4. From here, 25 cancel out. So from here, we can get the value of a, that is equal to a is equal to negative 4. Now, the values of c and a we have found. Now, we have to find the value of b. No, there is no other factor in the denominator and linear factor in the denominator of the function or the given fraction. So we will find the value of b by comparing the coefficients of like powers of x. So for this, first we have to expand this by using the identity and product form of this. So we may have a clear coefficients of different powers of x. To make the coefficient of x different, to make the quotient of x, we have to expand this by using identity and product of these two factors. In this way, quotient will be visible. So we can write this equation: 2x square, left side 2x square plus 17x minus 17. On the right hand side, a into, we are expanding this, 2 minus x whole square by using a square plus b square minus 2ab. This becomes 4 plus x square minus 4x plus b into. Now we multiply these two factors, 2 minus x into 1 plus 2x. We write here uh, in the expanded form b into minus 2x square plus 3x plus 2 plus c into 1 plus 2x. Plus c into 1 plus 2x. Now we will compare the coefficients, comparing the coefficients of different powers of x. We compare the coefficients of x square first. It is clear that quotient of x square in the left hand side is 2. On the right hand side, quotient of x square is a and minus 2b. So comparing the coefficients of x square, on the left hand side, quotient of x square is 2. On the right hand side, a minus 2b. We have already found the value of a, that is minus 4. So putting here the value of a, we get 2 is equal to minus 4 minus 2b. From here, b is equal to, simplifying, we get b is equal to minus 3. B is equal to minus 3. Now this function will become, now putting the value of a, b, c here, this function will be, now function will take this form, fx is equal to minus 4 over 1 plus 2x minus 3, putting the values of a, b and c, minus 3 over 2 minus x plus 5 over 2 minus x whole square. Now next part B of this question is, hence show that integration of this function fx, function is this. Now we will take the function in this form. Integration of fx with limit 0 to 1 is equal to 5 over 2 minus log 72. We have to show this. Integration of fx with limit 0 to 1 is equal to 5 over 2 minus log 72. So in place of fx, we will put this function fx. So we will write 0 to 1 limit minus 4 over 1 plus 2x minus 3 over 2 minus x plus 5 into 2 minus x power negative 2. We can write this term. We are taking this 2 minus x square in the numerator, sign of the power will change. So we can write in this form with respect to x. Now we integrate the each term separately. First, the integration of minus 4 over 1 plus 2x. Since the linear factor lies in the denominator we will use log. So the integration of first term will be minus 4 remains as such, log 1 plus 2x divided by, now we take the differentiation of inside the bracket, the terms inside the bracket, we will take its derivative, that is 2, we will write 2 in the denominator. Now the next term is 3 over 2 minus x, again we will use log because the linear factor lies in the denominator. Minus 3 log 2 minus x, and derivative of 2 minus x is minus 1, we write in the denominator, plus 5. Now the integration of 2 minus x power minus 2, so we will add, to find the integration of this we will add minus 1 in the power and write the same in the denominator. So this becomes 5 into 2 minus x minus 2 plus 1, that is negative 1, same is in the denominator, into derivative of 2 minus x, that is minus 1. So we write minus 1 in the denominator. Now we will simplify it, and the limit is 0 to 1. First of all, we simplify all the terms, then we will apply the limits. First term will become, this is cancel out. First term after simplifying will become minus 2 log 1 plus 2x. Here negative 1 into negative 3, it becomes positive 3 log 2 minus x. Third term will be, this is denominator minus minus plus, so it becomes 5 over 2 minus x. Now we apply the limit, first upper limit, then lower limit. Now upper limit is 1. First of all, we will put x is equal to 1 in all these terms. Upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is 1, so minus, first term minus 2, putting the value of x is equal to 1. Putting this upper limit x is equal to 1, minus 2 log 3 plus 3 log 1 plus 5 over 1, this is upper limit. Applying upper limit, this will become this, minus lower limit. Now we will put 0 in place of x. This becomes minus 2 log 1 plus 3 log 2 plus 5 over 2. Now we simplify it. Log 1 0, value of log 1 will be 0, so this is 0, this term will be 0, this term also 0 because there is log 1, the value of log 1 is 0. So we simplify further, we get minus 2 log 3 0 This is also 0. Minus 2 log 3 minus 3 log 2 plus 5 over 2. Taking negative sign common from these two terms, minus 2 log 3 plus 3 log 2 plus 5 over 2. Now we can write it as, using log property, this 2 moves to the power of 3. It is a property of logarithm. It becomes log 3 square. Same is in the next term, 3 moves to power of 2. Log 2 power 3 plus 5 over 2 minus log 3 square becomes 9 and 2 power 3 becomes 8. Log 9 plus log 8 plus 5 over 2. Now again we will use here the property of logarithm. Two logs are added, so addition will be converted into multiplication. So we can write here 9 into 8 log 72. So we get minus log 9 into 8 plus 5 over 2 minus log 72 plus 5 over 2. Now finally we can write it as 5 over 2 minus log 72. We have to show this. We have shown that the in after integration of this function with the limit 0 to 1, the answer is 5 over 2 minus log 72 we have shown.